Hey, hi guys. I hope I'm audible. So today we are going to do a practice on weekly con do practice on weekly contest 353. This is going to be a smaller stream uh, because I don't have much time and I'm going to spend yeah, let's say 25 minutes because that is okay. How can I change it? Yeah, we'll see if it goes past that, but yeah, the plan is to spend uh, 45 minutes. Will be able to tackle at least two. Should be able to tackle at least two. That's the aim. But let's see. Yeah, and also yesterday's question I did take a look at it. I hope you guys also do that if anyone is watching this. Right? So cool. Okay, let me just check this one's. Okay, yes, make it dark. Yeah. So, okay, let my pencil get charged. Uh, cool. So we'll say, okay, virtual contest, start the contest. Right. We'll try to do it fast. Uh, so given two integer numbers, number x is achievable if it can become equal to num after applying operation at most three times. Okay. So I'm going to use Java. So this is going to be, we want to make a maximum possible value of x. We want to make x as num by using t, right? Use t. Okay, and simultaneously, okay, so you can increase or decrease num also. So basically, ideal sense would be whatever is the num and whatever is the t, it should be plus of that, right? So answer should be num plus t plus t because we'll take x also as num, right? So we'll take x as something this, and then we'll decrease it by t and increase number. Yeah, I think that is should be the answer. 6, 7, yeah, cool. I'll explain the other one uh, as well, but let's just focus on the next one for now. So you are given zero indexed array of nums and an integer target. You are okay, integer target. Your initial position is in one step. You can jump from I index to index j such that the summation of these two is within target. So it's minus target less than equal to the difference. Okay, so basically it should be within target, right? Reach at -1. Okay, maximum number of jumps. So basically longest path. So if I see here, target is 2. So it should be -2 or 2, right? Plus 2, right? So is this abstraction? Yeah, basically math of abstract should be this. So yeah, so you can jump here, you can jump here, you can jump here. That is 4 ways because all of these are less than 2, right? So from every number you have paths. It says 3, 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 3 to 5. So yeah, 3 steps only. Hmm. So each will have a path, right? N is 10 is to power 3. So BFS will give me the smallest one. But can I change BFS to somehow give me the maximum number of jumps? What if I do a DP? Target remains the same, right? And then I need I and J. That makes my two variable, but it is 10 raised to power 3 here. It's a DP question. So I'll do DP. Let's see if it works or not, but it should work. So public int solve int nums int I int j int target. So you are initially positioned at 0, right? So basically you can go to the next position. So I'll call it last, right? And I is my current position. So int 10 is equal to nums dot length. If I is equal to n minus 1, basically I've reached end. So you just say return 0, right? Now, if last equal to I, because always it should increase. Last and I should be not the same. Means not taking anything, right? It should be that you have only one check to make. That also should be the case. I think I need to. Um, yeah, that is the tricky part in this question, but it's still doable. So, can I do something like greedy? Do I really need DP? I just need to find all the indexes that are less than 2 and I can take them, right? There is no fault. So 3 in this I need to find all the. So what is n? N is 10 raised to power 3, right? What I can just do is I can just see all the numbers that are within, like this one is there, 3 is there, and with 3, yeah, no, either you could go with 6 then, not that way. So how I can do DP here? That is the question. So basically what I'm struggling with is whether I've taken anything or not, right? That I need to know. Hmm. So let's say last is equal to 0, right? So here you have to take something, right? So you're starting from 0. Let's start from I plus 1. So we'll do that. 0 and 1 will start from this. So last is 0, I is 1. So this will be never be the same, right? Now two choices. Int option 1 is equal to 0 and option 2 is equal to 0, right? If nums of I minus it's some absolute value. Nums of I minus nums of last is less than equal to target, right? If this is the case, then you do return option 1 plus you take that move basically. Solve nums. Last becomes your I now and I becomes I plus 1 and target remains the same. Or whatever is this, you say that okay, I don't want to take this particular element and move to the next one. So your last remains the last and I plus 1 becomes and target, right? And then you return max of option 1 comma option 2. Return solve nums last is 0 1 and target is target. Let's see what I want. 2 by 2. So you will go 0 to 1 dot max, right? So you will go 0 to 1 and your I will be, it will be another dot of right that is 2. 2 is less than equal to target. So you move to the next element. Basically what I'm thinking is, so you are at this one, you compare 1 and 3, right? Once you compare 1 and 3, then so once you compare 1 and 3, you add 3. So basically then your uh, I is mm, I is 1. No, last is 1 and the next one is this, right? But this is not that, so you move to the next level, you come here. This is there, so you have 2 and then you go to this one. So basically as of now your answer is 2. You move here, you move here. You have to return this also, right? You have reached end. Basically, if we are rigid and then I should do this. 5, 1. Okay, here minus 1 is the answer, right? Hmm. If I am not able to reach it, right? Let's do this thing. If nums of I minus nums of last, right? I need to do that check here also. Is less than equal to target, then you return 1. Otherwise, you return a very small value by 2, let's say. 2, 5. So and these also needs to be the smallest. Yeah, so basically now I need to memorize it. Mm, okay, one thing here is if then you return -1, then you return the same value 3, 5. If it is less than 0, let's call it like this. Yeah, perfect. First one was DP, second one was uh, second one was maths. Okay, nice. So many test cases. Yeah, so many people were able to solve this. So it's easy to, not easy to medium because you need to know the where do we stand. I have only 7 minutes left. Um, I think this should be solvable without DP also. Thinking. Yeah, I will read this question as well. So you are given two index numbers, nums1 and nums2. Let's define zero indexed array. Okay, longest length of length of longest non-decreasing subarray. Longest non-decreasing. So basically that is longest increasing subarray. Okay. So we have nums1, we have nums2, and we need to combine it into nums3, right? Pick so such that this has a um, longest subarray in it. So how do we do this? So so basically, if we take a look at the example, so we have 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, right? And I have to construct something. I can pick only I only. I think like 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. I can pick 0 the element of this. I'll pick this one. Then 1, comma 1. I'll pick 3. and here I'll pick again one. So basically these two. So basically at every point I have a choice to make, right? Either I pick that or I pick this. And then based on that choice, I make a decision. Yeah, one way is to go and do with DP, but you need a last variable for that. If you need to solve this with DP, you need a last variable for that. Hmm. Yep. But here we don't have last variable, right? Two, two, one. Okay, I'll solve this one offline, guys. And this is doable, but I don't have time. I have to run. So cool. Bye. That this is a smaller stream, but still something better than nothing.